Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi and you're most welcome guys on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. Be happy, be positive and be optimistic towards learning anything new in your life. So let's talk about the topic today. The topic is all about childhood and I'm gonna ask 5 questions to myself about the childhood. So be ready and keep watching video till the end. So thank you, and my first question goes to myself, that is, did you enjoy your childhood? Yes, I did. I mean to say that I enjoyed a lot. I think when I was a child, at that time I was playing a lot and I enjoyed my childhood very well. I mean to say that my answer is yes, of course. I'm quite happy to tell about my childhood because I enjoyed a lot. So the second question is, what is your first memory of your childhood? About the first memory, it is quite interesting. I can't remember that much, but after that also, what I think I enjoyed and what was my first memory. My first memory was I think that I had a lot more friends at that time and I was playing a lot. I mean to say that I used to play a lot, like from afternoon to evening. This is all about my first memory of my childhood. So the third question, did you have a lot of friends when you were a child? Yes, I had a lot more friends when I was a child. I mean to say that I born and brought up in a village. So I think I had a lot more friends. I was playing with them. I can say bunch of friends, I can say that. So I used to play a lot, and my question is yes, of course. I had a lot more friends when I was a child and I enjoyed a lot with my friends in my childhood. So the fourth question is, what did you enjoy as a child? So if the question is all about what did you enjoy as a child, so that I think I enjoyed a lot, like environment of my village and the people, they are really helping. Even though my friends, they were helping a lot to me in my studies, and whenever I was playing them as well, they were doing a lot more fun. So I enjoyed as a child, means like that cooperate with them, how to play with them, how to learn the things better from them. So, and I also enjoyed a lot with the weather and environment of my village, because in village I think I can say in village it is really good for the kids and for children. They can play a lot and they can work, and the people, they can learn a lot more things as well. They can enjoy with the greenery, environment, good people, good friends. So that's why I did the same. So my last question goes to myself, that is, do you think it is better to grow up in the city or in the countryside? It is better to grow up in the city or in the countryside. So I must say, because I born and brought up in a village, so I must say that growing in a village, that is stupendous. There's no comparison in the city, because I have seen and I observed the scenario nowadays, what is happening. The people and the they are not giving that much chance to their kids to go out and play in the cities, because always they are living near to highway, and the lot more hustle and bustle, lot more vehicles are there. So that's my the childhood in the cities, that is not quite awesome. But in villages we do have a lot more freedom. We can play a lot, we do have a lot more places to play, and lot more trees are there, we can do fun. And so that is all about, I must prefer like that. If you want to enjoy your childhood, so sure, just keep enjoy in the village. If you will come in the village, you will see a different kind of thing. So nowadays also it is happening in my side also. The few students and the few children, they are coming to their maternal uncle to visit their relatives, and they are enjoying a lot in this village, because all about the village we do have the freedom, and there is no that much activities and hustle and bustle and vehicles. But I think in the cities, the people, they are fearing, and they do have the fear of vehicles and the traffic, and except that they do have the fear, maybe nobody anybody can come and do something bad with their kids. And this is also the problem in cities. But in village, the people are really good. We do have a lot more friends, we have a lot more places, we do have a lot more gardens, temples, and playgrounds where you can do a lot more fun. So that's why I would prefer to you, if you want to enjoy your childhood, so just come in village and try to enjoy a lot. So in the last, I would like to do one request to you guys. So please, if you are thinking that I'm trying to make a good content for you guys, so please consider it, and like, share and comment on my videos, and try to subscribe my YouTube channel as well. So it will be really better for you and for me as well. Bye bye. Take care.